every sound, every voice, every vibe in one choice. One playlist.
Hello, One Pilipinas! Welcome po sa ating panibagong episode ng One Playlist kung saan we are discovering one artist at a time. And at this point, makakasama po natin si Julius Manny, isang music professor and also a singer-songwriter from the sheer capital of the Philippines, Marikina City. So, hi
Wow.
Julius!
Hello,
Welcome to
hello.
One Pilipinas! Grabe!
Grabe.
Oo.
Mm.
Quick info lang din.
Yeah.
Julius used to be a schoolmate back in junior high. Yon. So,
Yeah.
sige Julius, pakilala mo yung sarili mo sa ating mga viewers.
Hello, I am Julius Manny. Yes, a music teacher, a MAPE teacher, a singer, songwriter. I do also producing music as well. That's basically my full-time profession. Aside, actually, my real full-time profession is teaching because I already teach high school. But I kind of do producing like a sideline for now. But I still put my heart on music production pa rin. So there. Thank you for having me,
Yes, of
Sarah,
course.
and One Pilipinas.
Mhm. And thank you rin for saying yes.
Yes.
Alam ko yung mga teachers natin, sobrang busy nila.
Totoo yun.
And I'm grateful to hear na you still have your hobbies, your
Mm.
interests.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been doing music?
In a lifetime. Pero
I love
pero nung beginning kasi hindi I was just viewing it as my hobby.
Mhm.
Hindi talaga siya yung parang I want to pursue it full time. But until then parang merong family problems sa amin. Parang
Mhm.
na parang naging cost ng financial financial stability namin. Doon na ako nagkaroon ng biglang inspiration to pursue music as a full-time passion.
Mhm.
So I started music again
Mhm.
when I discovered producing. And because of this artist na grabe yung paghangaw sa kanya, it's Owl City. Siya yung naging major influence ko sa sa pag-produce ng music. And siya yung nagsimula kung bakit ako nakakapag-produce ng music. It's a long way round. I've been doing it already for parang 15 years na, almost
Wow.
15 years.
Oo.
I was still grade 6 nung ako noon. So I was just using my mom's laptop para mag-download ng parang free trial ng ng music production software. So hanggang sa natuloy-tuloy ko na siya. Marami pang napagdaanan na but it's mostly self-taught. Wala naman nagturo sa akin kung paano produce. So talagang hinasa ko na lang, inaral ko na lang yung mismo software hanggang ngayon. Nagagamit ko na rin pala siya pag may mga times na kasi mahirap ngayon kung paano ka ma-discover eh.
Mhm.
Kaya parang ikaw na lang din, parang one-man act or one-man band.
production, oo.
Yeah, one-man production basically
Mhm.
sa sa pag-produce. Pero kasama kasi dun sa pag-produce yung pag-compose ko.
Mhm.
Medyo takot ako kasi mag-compose kasi hindi ko naman talaga forte in the first place yung lyrics. But for me, I want to make it like expressive, but I want also to approach it in a different way na parang gusto ko medyo palalimin yung gusto kong palalimin yung context ng lyrics.
Mhm.
Kaya sabi ko, okay, sige, I'll do some abstract way of songwriting. But I still have to pursue. I still have to make it na para maintindihan din ng mga tao kung
Mhm.
ano yung gusto kong i-express doon sa music na
Mhm.
kinompose ko.
Amazing. That's amazing. He has been self-producing simula grade 6.
6,
So, ilang
yeah.
taon ka nun?
12.
12 years old, pero gumagawa na
Oo.
siya ng sarili niyang kanta. Ang galing naman.
Oo,
Mm-mm.
12.
So, saan mo
Legit.
nilalagay yun? I mean, saan mo pinupost?
Yeah. Mostly tinatago ko lang yan. Tinatago ko lang. Hindi ko siya sineshow pa until nung junior high.
Mhm.
Kasi yan, by step yan.
Mm-mm.
Comfortable ako mag-produce kung hindi man singing. Kasi noon hiyang-hiya talaga ako kumanta. Naalala ko yata nung nagturo pa si mami ko sa Malanda Elementary School. Minsan pinasama niya ako doon, tapos merong choir at nilagay niya ako doon para kumanta or Pero malaking fear talaga sa akin yung singing noon. Noon naalala ko yung pinasolo kami one by one, then ako yung tinuro. So, hindi ko kaya.
But look at you now.
Look at me now. Naging development. Nakita ko yung beauty sa music. So sabi ko, sige, kailangan ko i-face yung fear ko sa singing. And,
So in a way, nagbunga, no? Nagbunga
Yeah.
yung paglagay sa'yo ng mother mo nun.
Totoo.
Para po din sa kaalaman ng lahat, ano,
Hmm.
yung mother po ni Julius used to be my elementary teacher. So, hi, Ma'am Manny! Yes.
Andito na siya ngayon.
At nandito na rin po siya ngayon.
Kaya nga.
Di ba?
Mamagbunga.
Nakakatawa yung mga
Yes.
ganong bagay, no?
Mm-mm.
Who would have thought that after so many years, di ba, we would
Yeah.
end up here.
Mm-mm.
You are producing your own song, and now we also have a production team. So, God is really good.
Thank you.
Oo.
Amen. Amen to that.
Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
And then, okay, so, yun, could you share us paano na-develop? So, okay, in-expose ka ng mother mo sa isang choir, and then you sang, and then what happened after that?
Ano yan, that came a long way pa kasi nung junior high school ako, nung ako
Mhm.
nag-aaral sa Marikina Catholic School,
Mm-mm.
doon talaga nag-start yung exposure ko sa singing.
Mhm.
Doon, nagkaroon kami ng parang short program regarding parang siyang contest in a way
Mhm.
of Christmas jingle.
Okay.
Yun. Kasi naalala ko yata nun, ni-remake ko yung All I Want for Christmas. Ginawa ko ni remix.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, medyo nandun sa point na very awkward ang moment dahil, dapat mostly singing.
Mhm.
Nangyari naman, merong dancing. So,
Mm.
pero yung isang part doon actually, I produced the music 100%.
Mhm.
Then, kumanta yung mga classmates ko noon kasi bi-section ng ang
Mm.
pagkakahati namin nun. Then, doon sa one part na when I stepped on the stage, hindi alam ng lahat na,
Mm-mm.
oh my goodness, kakanta si Jasper. Kasi Jasper din yung pangalan sa akin, yung tawag sa akin doon sa MCS. Yun. And I did. Pero ang ano ko nun kasi, medyo nandun pa yung fear eh. Di pa ako ang kahinaan ko naman nun, yung eye contact.
Okay.
Yeah, hindi talaga ako sa eye contact nun. Kaya,
Wait lang, ilang taon ka nito? Sorry.
that's when I was in grade 9,
Grade 9. So, ano ba, 15?
2015.
Oo, 15,
Yeah, mga
diba?
15.
tayo
14
nun
to
eh.
15. Oh.
Oo, okay. Okay, so you struggled with eye contact. Okay.
Yeah, I did struggle with eye
Okay.
contact. So, pag kumakanta ako, lagi ako nakatingin sa floor.
Mm.
Ayun.
Mm-mm.
And actually, may ano pa niyan eh. Kasi, nung grade 6 I remember this Muppet teacher namin. Pinakanta kasi kami sa isa ng Lupang Hinirang, yung Marikina Hymn, tapos yung hymn ng school namin, yung MCS hymn. Di ako nung inisa-isa pa kami. Di nung pumunta ako sa harap, sabi ko, Lord help me.
Ayaw mo.
Ayoko talaga.
Ayaw mo talaga.
Kaya pag kumanta ako nung puro lang ako nakatingin sa baba. Kasi ayoko talaga ng may nakikita. So, parang naku-culture shock na ewan. Pero grabe yung ko talaga nun. Yung my introvert is not introvert. My introvert is introverting. Yun, kaya sabi ko, buti na lang na itong nung grade 9, tapos itong grade 10 talagang nilabas ko na. Yun yung time na nag-join ako sa singing contest nila. So sabi ko, this is my time to shine. And I need to show them who I am, who I was. Yun. So
Yes.
sabi ko, this is my moment. Kailangan ko na talaga ilabas yung ko. Kasi parang papunta na ako dun sa next stage eh. Grade 10, moving up na yun. So, sabi ko, kailangan kailangan kong develop yung sarili ko when it comes to singing. Although, hindi naman talaga ako ganun ka, sabi nating very skilled and technical singer. Kasi parang mostly I sing in a free form. Yan. Pero ang mahalaga naman is meron ka ability to sing. Kaya
Exactly.
I showed it. And then, ayun na. pupunta na ng senior high school.
Mhm.
And then I decided to join this choir ng Marist kasi sa Marist ay merong music
Mhm.
strand.
Okay,
So,
yes.
I joined this Marist High School Singers.
Mhm.
So, nakapag-compete na rin kami sa mga competitions outside actually Marikina, naalala ko.
Oo, wow.
Nag-compete kami sa MOA. Merong
Mhm.
event dun sa MOA na sumali kami.
Okay.
That's 2017. Is na, grabe pala ang layo ng iba pala yung nagagawa ng music.
Mm-mm.
Nadadala ka kahit saan.
Mm-mm.
Inaano kami gumawa ng graduation song.
Mhm.
And ako, di ko sinasabi sa kanila. I was secretly writing a graduation song na galing sa akin mismo na ano.
Oh,
And I also produced it.
okay, nice.
And nung mga teachers, nung pinakinggan, mag-isa lang siya.
Nice.
Gano'n niya, gano'n katagal niya ginawa to. So sabi ko, yun, tsaka ko in-open up yun. And if I
You'll be
remember,
right.
as long as I remember, I think that's 1 week.
Mm-mm.
Kasama na yung recording nun.
Mm-mm.
So, pinroduce ko muna, tapos, yun, nirecord ko. Then yan, pinarinig ko na yung draft ko sa mga teachers ko. Dalawang graduation song yung pinili. Yung isa ay talagang loyal na sa Marist ever since preschool.
Okay.
And isa yung sa akin.
Oh,
Kasi
nice.
nakita nila yung parang, ito yung talagang graduation song na hinahanap namin.
Mm-mm.
Yun, tas dun na natuloy pa hanggang college.
Ayun. And
Yeah.
currently, so saan ka nag-college pala?
Sa CEU.
Mhm.
And then sa CEU, nag-join din ako ng choir
Choir
doon.
din. Mm-mm.
And I also studied because of my exposure in
Mm-mm.
music. That's when I figured I want to study music. Ang
Anong
ginawa ko
specific
namang course
Oo.
sa CEU ay Bachelor of Music in Music Education, piano
Oh.
major.
Okay.
Ang hirap din pala maging piano major.
Oo.
Lalo kung hindi ka classical pianist.
Oo.
Although may knowledge ka lang, slight
Oo.
prior knowledge ka lang sa
Mm-mm.
Pero grabe pala pag nakakapag-aral ka na ng
Oo.
classical
Talagang
music.
formal na.
Very very formal, very professional, pero
Yes.
parang ang naging reflection ko din, ito pala yung pakiramdam pag ikaw tumutugtog ka sa stage and you're formally playing a piece. Very traditional.
Mhm.
Hindi siya yung yung pang panahunan or yung panahon today.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang mapapabalik ka sa before dahil yung yung music noon, yung classical, dun talaga ma-appreciate mo yung art na nade-deliver ng music na it's more than just singing, it's more than just performing. It's also in the form of expressing yourself.
I love it. I love that you mentioned that.
Mm.
Mhm.
Ganun kasi talaga ng music, hindi lang yung pampa-impress.
Exactly.
Yun kasi yung parang nangyayari na iba sa mga sa mga musicians ngayon. Pero I know naman, nakikita ko naman din yung gusto nilang i-express or yung gusto nilang dalhin sa music para lang makuha na ng attention sa mga audience or listeners. But for me, I want it to be expressive kasi doon ako kung paano makakuha ng connection.
I
Yun,
agree. I
kaya-
agree with everything you said. Mhm.
Totoo.
And currently now, yung ano mo na, yung profession mo is?
Ang profession ko ngayon exactly is I'm a high school teacher. I work at DepEd Marikina. So in a specific school, I am working at the Marikina Science High School. It's almost going on 1 year na this July.
So,
Yeah.
nagtuturo ka na ngayon sa DepEd Marikina. So,
Yes.
LPT ka na.
Yes, I'm an LPT.
Congrats!
Grabe ang layon din ng ang layon
Oo.
din ng paglalakbay bilang LPT. Hindi
Oo.
madali.
Pero
Sabi mo,
at least malapit. Chara! Joke lang. LPT kasi
Malapit.
malapit. LPT na ako maingat.
ayun nga, totoo naman
Oo.
The good thing is,
Mm-mm.
I am handling or I am currently actually advisor ko and the musical director of this amazing club called the Marisay Glee Club.
Yes.
And they continuously share music and ngayon nag-i-evolve na din, nag-i-emerge na din ang Glee Club namin.
Mm-mm.
In a way na we are already exploring something like releasing music in the
Mhm.
streaming services na talagang kailangan na para lang magkaroon ng exposure
Mhm.
ng music. So sabi ko, ito yung parang sabi natin next frontier or new frontier para sa incoming generation of kasi baka at some point magkaroon din ng calling para sa mga nag-a-aspire din maging musicians.
Mhm.
Kaya yung pagpasok ko or yung paghawak ko ng Glee Club nila is I want to let them experience what I had experienced. So yun nga yung sa singing, magsistay pa rin naman ng traditional choral singing while upgrading into something new. Yun, like music production, kasi meron na mga nakikilala na students na magaling din sa pag-produce.
Mhm.
And although naman yung songwriting kasi talagang andun na talaga siya eh.
Mhm.
Pero in a way na pwede pa siyang i-develop ng bata.
Mhm.
Through many minsan ngayon sa internet pwede ka na pwede mo na dun matutong magsulat. Actually ako mas ko lang talaga magsulat after listening to songs and some research sa internet para makapagbuo din ako ng sarili kong kanta.
Mhm.
Kasi yun naman talaga yung technique. You have to listen, no? You have to listen to that music kung ano man ang prefer mo. And you value it. And when you value it, you appreciate it. And when you appreciate, you're able to create one. So, sabi ko, ito yung foundation talaga pag ikaw ay nag-start magsulat ng kanta. So, ayun, habang ginagawa ko din naman ng mga lesson plan, so hindi naman maiiwasan yun. Siyempre, ko yun obligasyon ko na yun. So, balancing the life of being a teacher and also a musician, it's a lot of burden to take, but it's on the passion talaga at kung paano mo siya na-enjoy.
I love it. I
Yun
love that
yung-
you said that. Grabe,
Yun
no?
yun.
Nakakatuwa
Ayun.
kasi kahit sobrang busy po talaga ng mga guro. Because ang
Sobrang
nanay ko din
busy.
po ay isang guro.
Yes.
So, kitang-kita ako talaga yung sacrifices that you guys make
Yes po.
para lang turuan yung mga bata natin. Kaya mabuhay po lahat ng ating mga kaguruan. And of course, ang lahat po ng ating mga musikero at musikera. Diba?
Yes.
Okay, this is very special.
Mm.
What would be your advice to the young generation, to anyone na kagaya mo nga, that sabi mo before, your introvert is introverting. Di ba?
Yeah,
Pero
indeed.
they wanted to have a career in music, but they just can't, start because they're so shy.
Of course, to those younglings who wanted to pursue music as their career, you have to take a long road, okay? It's not an easy journey, to be honest. It's not an easy journey. You have to you have to go a long way for you to pursue or for you to take being a musician. Being a musician is fun, but sometimes being a musician is also a burden of what you need to see or what you need to know around you, no? And maraming tao na iiwasan ka lang. Marami naman din na pag kunwari, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na we're on digital, then you're posting something about music and there are some netizens na parang nagsuscroll lang and then they saw you, then bigla magsuscroll. I think that's not I don't think that's gonna be a problem. Ang kailangan lang talaga is you just have to go on what you love to do. Ganun ang ginagawa ko. I never stopped. I was once had my songs being heard in some playlists na curate mismo ng Spotify. Then after that, parang nawala na dahil nabago yung algorithm. Well, I don't think na that would stop you, no? Just because na hindi ka na napapakinggan ng mga tao, it doesn't mean that you stop making music. Continue writing music. You continue doing what you love in music. You sing, you compose, you produce, you teach, you you value, you connect with the audience using music. But when you are able to express it, when you're able to tell your story through music, then that's when you know, that's when you realize that your passion in music is more than what you think it is. It is more of love. It's more of love. If you love music, then that's when you know that you're going to continue until the end of time.
Yeah. Okay, there you have it, One Pilipinas. Once again, isa pong karangalan na makasama po natin ngayon ng ating music professor and singer-songwriter from the true capital of the Philippines. Walang iba kundi si Julius Jasper Manny. Ayan. So thank you so much again for being here, for
Thank
saying
you.
yes to us. And I hope, and I know, I'm confident that maraming mga kabataang Pilipino or kahit di na kabataan, kahit mga, basta lahat
All
na
ages.
gusto na, yes, all ages, all generations, na gusto pang gumawa ng kanilang karera o sariling career sa ating music industry. Ayan. And for everyone out there who are listening, na gusto po na magkaroon ng pagkakataon na mag-share ng kanilang talento, musika, performance, please feel free to message One Pilipinas for this One Playlist episodes. Muli, I am your host, Sarah Villas, and kita-kits po sa susunod na episode ng One Playlist.
Every sound, every voice, every vibe in one choice. One